Hey, Jim, thanks for joining me again this week. Today, we're going to talk about the fact that HVAC is basically a construction business. We've said that before on these video conversations. And since it's part of the construction industry, can you tell me how it differs from other construction or home repair businesses?
Well, a lot of the way it differs is we supply service. Usually once your home's built, if you have an addition built or whatever, if you have a problem with a molding or something that's not right on the house, it's not an urgent situation. It's just something that you want handled. In our industry, we have a lot of service, and the sense of urgency is a lot different in our industry, that when you're without heating or without air, it's usually going to be at the worst time that you can do without it. Yeah. And so the urgency is there to get somebody out there and get the problem taken care of. So I'd say the one big difference about our industry is the pressure, the industry, that, we have much more of an urgency. It's not, well, you have no heat, we'll look in, we'll see if we can get to you next week,
Right.
No, it's 10 degrees outside. You need somebody today, and you need that thing fixed as soon as possible. So the sense of urgency is probably one of the biggest differences in our industry. But other than that, it's still customer service, which is what all construction industries share in common, I believe.
Okay. Yeah. And, I think we should touch on this too, since we are talking about, the sense of urgency really being a big thing that sets HVAC apart from other construction and home repair businesses. At 4Core Heating and Air Conditioning, you work in this urgent situation, whether it be, an air conditioner going out or a heater going out, and it is starting to heat up. So we might be experiencing some air conditioners not functioning correctly. And when that happens, you're going to know, and you're going to know you need to get it fixed. So can you tell me, what your emergency services look like? If someone has that emergency, what do they do? Can they just give you a call and have someone come out?
Oh yeah, we're geared up for that. In other words,
okay,
when you call us, somebody will always answer the phone, whether it's an office personnel or answering service, but you always talk to a person. And that's important because you want to know if help is coming soon, and you want to talk to somebody. You don't want a machine. So you'll talk to an answering service after hours. They will contact a technician. A technician will call you and find out what's happening, the urgency. And if there is an urgency, you have the option at that point to ask that technician. He can come out and take a look at your air conditioner or your furnace, or you can opt for service the next day. We keep well-stocked trucks so that we hope we have the part. We can't guarantee that because there's so many, and we do service all makes and models.
Okay.
But we keep a well-stocked truck. We have a skilled and trained technician, and we sell Armstrong equipment. Our supplier is local, with a lot of local supply houses in the Akron, Canton, Cleveland area. So they have the ability to supply us with parts when we need them. That's very important. Even if we show up on time, if we can't find the part to fix your furnace, you're still without heat.
Right.
So we've done our research to try to make sure that we can get you taken care of and back online as soon as possible. And as I say, we want you to talk to somebody so that you have the comfort of knowing that the help is on the way and you're going to be taken care of.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's something I absolutely love about your business, is because that is always there for people. Somebody is going to answer that phone and speak directly with you, so that you're not left scrambling and worried because your heater or your air conditioner has gone out, or any other issues that you might have. So make sure, if you just want to keep this in the back of your mind. Hopefully you're not going through an emergency situation like that right now. Maybe you are, and that's why you found this video, and that's okay too. But keep this in the back of your mind. Know that 4Core and Jim and his team are there for you when you need them, and you can give them a call or explore their website at 4coreheating.com. Thank you.